This challenge is called Shark on a Wire 1. It's a medium-level challenge from the forensics category from the picoCTF 2019 event. The description says, we found this packet capture. Recover the flag. And there's a link in the word packet capture over here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to highlight the word packet capture, right-click, and then select copy link. Over on our console, we're going to download the file. So it's wget, and then we're going to paste in the link, and then hit enter to download the link. So after that, we see that we have a capture.pcap file in here. And if we run the file command on this file, we see that it is a pcap capture file. So in order to run the command, we're going to use the xtg open command. And the xtg open command in Linux is going to open whatever file is provided to it with the appropriate program. And the appropriate program, in the case of pcap files, is the Wireshark program. So hit enter, and that's going to open up the file using Wireshark. So we see here in this packet capture file, it has many different packets. In fact, there are about 2,300 packets. And if we were to manually look through each one of these packets, it would be a big pain. So we don't want to do that. What we want to do is we want to search through these packets for a specific pattern. In order to do that, what we can do is we can use the Control F keyboard shortcut in order to open up the search window, or what we can do is we can go over to the Edit Find Packet function over at the top. So at the top it's Edit and then Find Packet, and that's going to open up the search bar. So in the search bar, we can look for packet bytes, and we can look for a string. And in the search bar, we're going to search for pico, because the picoCTF flags are all in the format where the prefix of the flag is the word pico. We can click on Find, and then we see that this packet has the word pico in it. Well, that's interesting. What we can do is we can follow this conversation. So the packet that we found over here, which is highlighted in blue, we can right-click on it, and then we can select Follow UDP Stream. So after we do that, we see here that there's the contents of the conversation here, pico, 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 and then we can start looking through the different streams. So here's stream 5. We can go back to stream 4, stream 3, stream 2, stream 1, stream 0, and we can also go forward from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And in stream number 6, we see our flag is here, picoCTF, this right here. Okay, so we can copy the flag, and then we can go back to the challenge page. And on the challenge page, in the flag submission field, paste in the flag, and then click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.